Opel Insignia and the fuel cap is jammed. So with these fuel caps, it's usually a push in and it releases back, but this one, no matter if you unlock it, unlock it, you cannot get it to free out. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how in emergency you can put fuel into your vehicle should that happen to you and this fails. So on a lot of vehicles, when that happens, if you go into the boot and you remove the interior trim on the same side as the fuel flap, there will be a release cable in there, a manual release cable. On some other models you can actually visibly see the tag sticking out. On Audis, I believe you remove a panel here and there is a tag that you pull on this side. But on the Opel Insignias, unfortunately, there is nothing like that. So I'm just going to show you up in the air what you need to do to open that fuel flap. Because we can't find any release cable, plan is take the wheel off and remove this wing liner here and see visibly what we can do to release that fuel cap. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to take off the wheel and I'm going to remove back the wing liner here and get a view up along this side. So I've just pulled this back down out of the way. There was two T20s on that side there, and then the mud flap was screwed in here. And if you just look up along this way, you can see the electrical connector towards the actuator. So I'm going to go about disconnecting that now and try and free it out. I'm now shining my inspection mirror up beyond it there, and if you look just above that yellow piece there, there is a plastic rod that folds up around the top. Well, I believe that is the actuator arm. And that actuator arm, I'm going to try and disconnect that and see if I can release it then. Alright, so I finally have it. I finally have the flap open, and this is the actuator arm here and this electrical connector here that I had to disconnect. So to release this, I came on this side of it and I lifted it up, pulled it back. This item sits up in the position that you seen earlier, and you just lift it. You lift it up out of its seat up there first, and it's very hard to film, but what I done was, and I show you back here, I reached my hand in, pushed the whole unit this direction, then reached in, grabbed the end of the arm, jiggled it and pulled it back, and then I was able to get the whole unit out. So that is it, we finally have it open. So to give you an idea how this functions completely, imagine this on the inside. It comes out of this hole just here and it locks into that position just there. This has jammed locked, so this actuator arm should move out when you press the unlock key, and it has stuck in that position. So I have it removed now, and we have a solution to it. You're able to open and close the fuel cap as you normally would, but the item that prods out here that locks it is obviously removed. So you're not able to lock it at the minute, but it definitely is a solution in the short term. If you're not worried about locking it, well then you have a fix for the long term as well. But that is it. If this has happened to you guys, you have all the information that you need to do the repair yourself, or to at least get it open so you can fuel up while you're waiting for that part to do the repair. There we go. So we got it to move. And now it's locked again. There we go. Okay, so that should move freely in and out like that. So when it's open, it unlocks, and then when you press the lock key, this pushes back in again. That slides across and locks the cap. So this item is faulty. That needs to be replaced for a permanent repair. For the meantime, that's just going to be left out of it, and the customer is at least going to be able to open and close his fuel tank when he needs to put in some fuel. I hope you found this video useful, guys. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.